afternoon.
Yes, I'm here for an appointment.
Alright, what time appointment is it?
It's 12:30.
Let's see Ronson, right?
Yes, I am.
First time here?
Yes.
Please.
We'll have more on this meeting throughout the
This
day.
section
What's
or this
happening
section?
can expect to start any minute
Is it
now.
health plan?
This
No.
morning, we also confirmed the meeting of the first time since
Meet the dentist of the superstars. Meet the dentist that everybody who does not like a dentist likes going to. Morning, Dr. Ronson.
Thank you so much. Birthday weekend turn up. Alright.
Okay, tell us where your locations are and some of the dental services that you offer.
Alright, well, our main location is in Meadowbrook, that's Price Right, Shop 10, Meadowbrook Plaza, 2 to 4 Chancery Street, Kingston 19. And we also have a location in Southdale Plaza, that's shop number 6, that's Southdale Medical and Dental Center. At our Meadowbrook location, it's Monday to Saturday, 9 to 4. At Southdale, it's Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
So, are you on social media?
Yes, I am. The Instagram tag is at Ronson the Doc, or you can find me Ronson Reeves on Facebook and on Twitter. Our telephone numbers for the Meadowbrook office is 755-2786, and for the Southdale office is 920-1011.
I've seen some of your patients walking through the door and they all comment on your bedside manner. They all comment on how gentle you are, because a number of persons are afraid of going to the dentist. How important is this in dentistry?
Well, like you said, 90% of people have a fear of dentists, so you try to make it as painless as possible to motivate them to want to come back, because most times if you're careful and meticulous, you don't really need to cause pain. It's only usually if the patient waits until the issue is too far gone that usually you have a painful experience at the dentist. So we encourage, regular visits every 6 months, and once you keep it up to date, you shouldn't have a painful experience at the dentist.
Thank you, Doc.